Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make macarons at home easy. Preheat your oven, sift almond flour, and separate eggs carefully to avoid yolk contamination. Whip egg whites to soft peaks, gradually add sugar until glossy, and fold in dry ingredients with slow, confident motions. Pipe consistent rounds, rest shells until a skin forms, then bake briefly and cool before filling with buttercream or ganache. Practice makes consistent results. Accurate measurements and the right tools make all the difference when making macarons at home. Sift almond flour and powdered sugar together to remove lumps and ensure smooth shells. Weigh egg whites to control batter consistency and use a kitchen scale for repeatable results. A fine sieve, a good piping bag, and templates help make uniform rounds that bake evenly and develop nice feet. Room temperature ingredients also help with proper mixing and folding. Mastering the macaronage and baking steps is key to perfect shells. Whip egg whites until soft peaks form, then gradually add sugar until glossy and stable. Fold in the dry mix until the batter flows like lava and drops settle smoothly. Pipe rounds, tap trays to release air, and let shells rest until a skin forms. Bake on the middle rack and watch closely to prevent browning or underbaking. Enjoy the fun of learning.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.